Hello everyone, welcome to today's drawing session. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a simple butterfly from scratch, step by step, and later we'll add color to bring it to life. If you've ever wanted to learn how to sketch a butterfly but didn't know where to start, this is the perfect place. We'll begin with basic shapes and light pencil lines, nothing complicated. These first outlines are just guides, so don't worry about making them perfect. As I sketch the wings, pay attention to how each curve flows smoothly from one edge to the other. Butterflies are all about balance and gentle symmetry, so take your time and let your hand move naturally. You can follow along with me or pause the video whenever you need to catch up. And before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next drawing session. Later on, we'll move to coloring. Choose any combination of shades you like, soft pastels, bright tones, or bold colors. There's no right or wrong way to color a butterfly. What matters is that you enjoy the process and create something that feels unique to you. As you watch, try to imagine how your final drawing will look once everything comes together. Feel free to experiment, take your time, and let the artwork grow naturally. Remember, drawing is not about perfection, it's about expression and patience. If you're drawing along with this tutorial, I'd love to know how your butterfly turns out. Share your thoughts or progress in the comments section below. Now relax, take a deep breath, and let's keep sketching together. Enjoy the process and have fun creating your butterfly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.